So here we are on the port side, the rowboat. We've got all the fasteners identified, all the copper and what's left of the galvanized ones, and all those rub strips taken off. And hopefully, if I hold the camera, yeah, hard to tell, but all the seams have been raked out. Anyway, you can see these on the other side are still all tight, full of bedding, compound, and caulking. So anyway, we're moving on to this side next. So that was seam raking with one hand, a little better with two. So these are the rows where the galvanized fasteners have been removed, which left some good-sized craters. Okay, here's the transom. You got all the fasteners out. All the way around. And we just got to cut out that rusty piece of metal right there, and hopefully it'll drop out. Okay, got transom laying on the floor here, and one reason I wanted to take it apart is in behind here. Thought it was rotten because I could dig in there quite a bit. anyway. Not to mention it's full of silicone, which is no good. She turns out maybe not quite as bad as I thought, but there is a bad knot right there. Just broken through, which I don't know. Probably going to replace this. Okay, so next step is lifting the keel off the keelson, because there's some issues with the keelson and the keel, but mainly the keelson's got a lot of cracks in it, which we'll see when we get the keel off, which we're almost there. And we got a crack in the keel there, so probably get a scarf and then end on that. Okay, so we got the keel off, and all the way up. Now I want to do this keelson because you can see there's some big nasty cracks that don't look so good all the way down, and the tail end there's rotted off a bit. So anyway, we're going to take that out, replace it. These you see one in place back there, just a cross tie to hold things together. Otherwise the boat's going to fall in half because there's no ribs in it. So these are going to tie everything together while I cut out and put in the new keelson. Yeah, and then we'll deal with this nastiness here after that. Right, so we're all strapped up, everything held together. Let's give a quick walk around, showing how it's all pinned together. And then let's go inside. Anyway, now you can see all the daylight coming through the keelson. This is an action shot of sawing out the clench nails through the garboard, through the keelson.